Nominal trunk jettison. Copy.
Yeah, and we do expect that the deorbit burn has approximately started or should be starting here soon. Just waiting for a call out there. Again, the deorbit burn will last about 9 minutes long. And we are in the middle of that deorbit burn that we have been mentioning. It is approximately 9 minutes long. A lot of people with them from Axiom Space, from SpaceX.
SpaceX, deorbit burn complete, performance nominal. Nose cone closure is initiated. Copy all, SpaceX.
We've confirmed that the deorbit burn has completed. And the nose cone has also officially closed. So as we begin the second half of entry, Dragon is now beginning to flush nitrox into the cabin and continue to top off the AX-3 cruise suits with cool air. Now we're just about 3 minutes away from drogue parachute deployment. And there you can see a live view from the ground watching Dragon as it's making its way back down to Earth, which is a really awesome view there. What you're seeing on your screen is a live view of the Dragon capsule returning back to Earth. And there you can see the drogue parachutes have deployed, and a cool view from the capsule itself. Shortly after, we should see the 4 main chutes deploy here. And there you can see on your screen, 4 mains have deployed. They will begin to slowly open up and help slow the vehicle down. The vehicle is approximately moving at 119 miles per hour, and the main chutes deployed at 6,500 feet. And there's an awesome view from the capsule itself, looking up at the 4 main chutes.
4 healthy mains and descent rate nominal.
And additionally, we got to see crew even rotate their seats to prepare for splashdown. All of these are
200. Crew brace for splashdown.
Copy. Braced for splashdown.
Splashdown.
Copy splashdown. We are with you in 4.800.
Copy.
And an excellent sight to see. Welcome home, AX-3.
And we can see Walter coming out of Dragon, having some assistance from ground crews. Visor up.
Awesome.
And I do think I see a smile on that face. And a wave. A wave and a thumbs up. Walter is feeling good. We're taking our time and making sure that he is comfortable and making sure that he's going to be safely egressing the vehicle. Welcome home, Marcus. And again, visor up, and I think, of course, we're going to see Marcus smiling. Yeah, we are. Okay.
There we go. Some waves.
He's giving his wave. Marcus is feeling good. This is excellent to see. And our third egress of the day, we have Alper Gezeravcı, the first Turkish astronaut to fly to space. Alper is looking good. He's excited. He's excited. He's ecstatic. He's happy to be home. He's giving excellent smiles and a great fist bump there. I love to see that. And even with that frequent flyer card, MLA is no stranger to this maneuver, but he is also taking his time, and he is looking good. And welcome back, MLA. Excellent. It is wonderful to see all 4 crew members of AX3 egress comfortably and safely.